Electrical Occupations. Electrical Occupations is a comprehensive program that provides students with skills to become both construction and maintenance electricians. Construction electricians lay out, assemble, install, and test electrical fixtures and wiring used in electrical systems on construction sites. Maintenance electricians maintain and keep many different types of electrical equipment in good working order by detecting and repairing defective equipment. The program covers many areas, including residential, commercial, and industrial wiring, maintenance, and service, installation of electrical environmental circuits, planning and site work on commercial industrial jobs, transformers, electrical motors and controls, electrical aspects of HVAC, emergency power systems, and energy production. Graduates of this program are well prepared to become an electrician, powerhouse substation relay technician, and a commercial and industrial equipment technician. Further education may lead to additional employment opportunities.